Hi there guys, it's Pat. Welcome to another episode. Thanks for being with me. It's another beautiful day here in Queensland. Today I would like to talk to you about APIs. Do you know what an API is? Well, the concept is very easy to understand. Hello train. The concept of API is really easy to understand. So basically, to understand what an API is, imagine you make applications, okay, for iPhones and Android. Imagine one day you receive a call from, let's say, Uber, okay? Hello, it's John Uber here, I need an application, can you do it for me? Yeah, sure I can. You ask him, what do you need? And he tells you, okay, I need a map, okay, and I need to show those little cars on the map. So now you have two possibilities, okay? You have two ways. You can build your own map, okay, and compete with Google. So basically, you need to scan the whole world and come up with your own map. Or you have another option that would be you use what you already have available out there, which is Google Maps, which is already available out there. And so Google is not going to give you the old package of the map, but what they can do is they're going to give you the API, which is nothing more than like a string of letters and figures. Basically, it's a code, like a short code, and you take that code, you implement it into your app, and that code is going to call Google Maps, and you can use it without even, the need of having that huge amount of information from Google. You can just use it, okay? So that's an API, a third party. And the interesting thing about API is that the same concept can be applied even if you don't do application, or even if you just sell services. For example, how do I apply the concept of API into my lead generation business? Okay, it's really simple to understand that as well, because taking the idea of API, that means using what is already available out there and implement that into my business. It really simplifies my business a lot. And that means if I need something to complement my portfolio of services, I don't have to learn everything from scratch. I can use someone else, a third party. For example, let's say I find a new client, and this new client, for example, is a startup, okay? And the startup needs to generate leads. So that's my business, that's my profession, perfect. I can help you to generate leads. But let's say, for example, this startup also needs to make an introduction, a video introduction explaining what the startup does. So I don't do video, okay? But I'm not gonna say to that company, to the startup, no, I don't do videos, so I cannot help you. No. Thinking like an API, I have another guy, and that guy is a professional in video making and video explainers, animation, that stuff. And I'm selling you a solution using sort of API concept by integrating someone, a third party, into my business. So I think this is a very good way to do business, to help solving even more problems for your clients, instead of saying, no, I don't do that. No, you can do that. It's just a matter of networking with the right people, okay? So go out there, find the best professionals you can, and ask them to join your company and do business together. Hello train again. Hey. I will see you soon, guys. Cheers.